Hello, my name is Bhavana. I'm a senior in Marcus High School, and this is my lawn mower robot. Okay, now I'll show you the inside of the robot. So first take off the lid. The lid consists of the PVC sheet and wood. And then these are the two 12-volt batteries, which are lithium ion, and they are connected in parallel with each other. This is the motor that controls the blade, but since blades are dangerous, we used a twisted trimmer line, and so the green piece that we showed in the video is the part that's cutting it. It's in 20 inches in diameter, so that's how much it cuts each time it goes. And then this is the saber tooth motor controller, and it connects the two motors. This is the RC receiver, and it's connected to the radio controller. And then this is the stop switch, the emergency stop. And so when you turn it on, it turns off everything in the and it gives nothing power. And then these are the two switches that control the motor, and then the motor for the grass cutter. And then these are the two motors. Oh, and also this is the fuse. So if something goes wrong with the power or anything, so that the fuse will stop that. And then this is the ground. The purpose of building this robot is so that you can stay in one place and control the robot using this RC controller, and you can cut your lawn under which the robot has a blade underneath. So first, there is a motor controller or an H-bridge that controls two motor wheels, and then there are two caster wheels. And then there's also another motor for the motor that controls the grass cutter motor. And then the frame is built out of using aluminum extruders, and then the outside design is built of PVC sheets. This is how it works. So first, you turn on the switch for the Skyfly radio controller, and then this side of the robot controls the wheels. This is the emergency stop button, and then this one controls the motors or motors to the wheels, and this one controls the grass cutter motor. So if I run it, as you can see, it cuts the grass. Thank you for watching.